Hello from Boston. Hi, you guys. I'm here in the hotel where we had the meeting, and it's really bad lighting right here, but this will do. This will do. I just wanted to pop on and say hi and congratulations for getting halfway through the challenge. We're already on day 5. And congratulations to those of you who stuck through and finished the leg workout. I know that was a lot of reps, a lot of curtsy squats and kicks, and a lot of lunges and squats. So great job, you guys, for those of you who did the leg workout. It's a real burner. So remember, we were always looking for 4 things in those workouts to really turn on fat burning and to really get the hormones triggered that we want in the muscles for muscle building, so that we're making that muscle that we want for definition and toning. So that's the burning sensation that you're often feeling when you do a lot of repetitions, when you get breathless. So when you especially do leg work, you're going to get more breathless, and also you're going to build heat and get sweaty, as well as heavy, so trying to use weights and do more difficult movements. So great job. Always looking for those, they call them the B's and the H's. It's a term from metabolic effect that I love to refer to really make sure that your workout is effective, and that's going to help you get into that fat loss mode. Hey Kerrigan, I'm in your area. I don't know if you're in Boston proper, but I'm in South Boston. So if you're anywhere nearby, let me know. It'd be fun to meet up with you. Hey Deanna. So great job, you guys, halfway through. I know it can be tempting to kind of taper off or skip a day or to not post. And I just want to encourage you to stay committed, commit to fit, right? And stay committed to just doing some kind of intentional movement every single day. So today I haven't actually gotten in a workout yet. The night is still young and I'm not drinking, even though I just finished a little cocktail hour after our session today. And I've just been choosing not to drink because it really feels actually like a treat to me to not drink. In the past, it would have been like, oh, the treat is I have these free drinks available, I should drink. And that's just a personal choice, but it's feeling really good because I want to keep my brain clear to send out your email and post the content for you guys later for day 6. And also just to maybe sneak in a little workout later. But even without a workout, I really tried to get my steps in today. I've already hit 7,000 steps and about 3 miles. I made a point to walk about a mile here from where we're staying in our Airbnb, and then I'm done like extra every break we had. I went outside and did a lap around the hotel. I went up and down the stairs a couple times, and then on lunch we walked at least a mile to go get our lunch. It was at Sweet Green. I don't know if you guys know what that is, but Sweet Green's an amazing salad place that we got some salad. So it's again another mile there, and I'm hoping to walk to dinner. So I wore my not very sexy but comfy Converse shoes so that I could get in steps more easily. So anyway, that's just how I've been making sure to intentionally move, get that intentional movement in today, even if I maybe won't get the workout in, but I'm still gonna try and get the curtsy squats and curtsy lunges and squat chains in later tonight when we get back to our Airbnb. But how are you guys doing? Let me know any questions that you have. Please put them in the comments below, and or just post it in your check-in. I'd be happy to jump on and answer those questions. I've been learning a ton here, and not just even learning new things, but like relearning, like hearing again things that I needed to hear for my business development. And it's been really awesome just to connect with other people, and it's reminding me, like, just having this connection with my group. I mean, I know we're not having in-person connection through our Facebook group, but it just is so nice to have that support and to know that you're not in it alone. Like here today, just talking with other fitness entrepreneurs and going through similar things together. Like when, it's kind of like when you guys get really sore and you can share that, or if you're having a struggle and you can be vulnerable. It's just invaluable to have that support system. So I just really appreciate you guys sharing and being vulnerable and supporting each other, and I want to just encourage you to keep going. Got 5 more days. You guys are awesome. But just signing up for this challenge, you are committed and you are dedicated, and I'm just really impressed. You guys are doing it. You are finding ways to make movement fun and enjoyable, and you are staying committed. It's amazing. So it's nothing small what you're doing. It seems like a small thing maybe, but it's big. And you guys are the kind of people who do these challenges are people who are gonna find ease with their fitness. It's gonna finally feel like you are finding a way to make it happen, that you're gonna find tools and strategies to know how good it is to feel consistent, that you're gonna miss it when you maybe are away from it for a little bit. You're gonna wanna get back to it. So congratulations for the work you're doing, and I will see you guys hopefully tomorrow. I'll be popping on again. Hey Marie and Deanna, awesome to see you. Okay, Carolyn, yeah, please do. And I will hopefully get to pop on again tomorrow. Have a wonderful day. Tomorrow's workout, I'm gonna post it soon, will be upper body and abs. So you're gonna do 2 5-minute quickies. One will be focused on the upper body and one will be on the abs. So I'll be posting those soon and sending the email out. Bye.